Hi, hope you are having a great time. In the last session, we discussed about the course structure and what are all topics involved in MBEP psychology program, particularly dealing with the NCRT reference. In this session, we'll try to cover introduction to psychology. Introduction that gives you basic understanding of what psychology is, and in the coming sessions we will see definition, history, many branches, and many more areas. But in this session we'll try to have a basic preview of the this unit. Okay, without any delay, let's see the session. Yeah, in this presentation we may use are the sessions which we discuss. Many information collected from the internet source are used for the sake of like copyright issues. I'm just displaying this, and this is applicable to other videos also. So next, yeah, introduction to psychology. Let's start the session. The growth of human mind is still high adventure in many ways, the highest adventure on the earth. What a beautiful definition is, right? So still the mind is a very complex thing so far. It cannot be like human behavior cannot be understood, and it's not about the cannot be understood. It is like very complex. It is really difficult to get an idea of what a man, what a human thinks. Okay, and it's that's how it is the most adventurous part. Like understanding a human behavior or a human mind can be the achievement, the biggest achievement any man can achieve if he or she can understand it completely. So this lines are by Norman Cousins. Just think before we get into the session. Just think about this. Why you opted for psychology over the other subjects? What do you hope to learn? As we are dealing with the academic part, we have to have a good understanding of why we are doing this and what are the uh, benefits to read this subject, right? So definitely, so that's how you just have a just pause here and think what is the reason, what are the benefits I'm expecting, what are the things I have to get into idea of. Okay, I think Jerry is just a joke. Just ask. The words they can say is no. Yeah, but that would be devastating. Yeah, no one expects the no, right? So even I am. Okay, just go through the reasons and benefits. Okay. And ancient traditions have engaged themselves with the questions about human nature. Human nature, I think it started from the, like you can say, human thinking process started from the birth of the human himself. Like even when the other people around the person will try to understand what they are thinking, what are the benefits and what are the relationship, how to maintain relationship, and many other ways, right? So this is as old as thing. Indian philosophical regime in particular deal with questions relating to why people behave in the manner in which they do. Okay, so Indian deal with the questions related to how manner, why people behave in a manner in which they do. There are two traditions we can say. External behavior is dealt with the Western side, and internal behavior or internal traveling will be dealt on the Eastern side. Eastern will concentrate on the self, and Western side concentrates on the environmental side. And if you can question furthermore why people are generally unhappy, there are few emotions like you can say happiness, fear, sad, many other emotions. Like there are as many as 27 emotions. Of course, we discuss about 9 emotions, and there are as many as possible. Okay, and what changes should they bring about themselves if they desire happiness in their lives? Everybody wants the happiness and comforts, right? So, in such a way, psychology also tries to make the human comfortable about his and life around him. So, next, see, yeah, as we discussed emotions, yes, it's the emotions, it's a love, the naughtiness, surprise, fear or failure. It is also some naughtiness, crazy, happy, angry, uh, love, hate, as many emotions we can experience, and you can check these things. And then movie of a plot. Yeah, life in the life as we are discussing emotions, there are many areas which we come across. Generally, if you compare or take a movie, there will be a plot, right? How it is a movie, generally we will be more connected to the movie, right? Everybody, when we see movie, we will be connected emotionally. We react when there is a sad scene, when there is some like you can say, when it is happy, when there is a very sad situation, there is a loss, we will be reacting. Sometimes we may cry also, like we catch our stomach for the cracking jokes, right? So in such a way, how and generally here, why did I mention this movie example is that how the director or the story writer uh, creates the story and tries to connect it to the audience. There will be, if you can see the story, general story, it is like an ignorance. There will be a problem. Ignorance is like it is a distance. The character is distant from the problem. There will be a problem. Then there will be some connectivity. There will be learning, pain. The character will be attending a pain. There will be some forgetting. There will be that this the story is expanded. It deals with the failure, success, and then finally motivation. The movie connects and it becomes a grand success. So that's how the story uh, takes up this like you can say uh, how the story is managed, how it connects to the uh, audience. And next, yeah, there are many problems where uh, a human can connect to. Why there are and there are events. Why these type of events happen when everyone needs happiness? When you see the first slide, it is World Trade Centers when like during my childhood, it is like September 11, 9/11 attack. It was a terrorist attack. Why terrorists want someone to cry, someone die for their mottos? And next, it is tsunami. Even India is connected during the December month. It is a very big incident, and it is a very strange incident. It is a uh, like it is a natural disaster which took attention of the whole world. This is like a gas leak, and this is also Mumbai terrorist attack. These are all some negative and unwanted things. No human tries to get these things to happen in their life, right? So why these things happen? When the emotions like happy emotions, positive behavior, positive attitude, positive health, all these things. Why someone wants to wants these type of things? And these are all man-made disasters. These are all not made by nature. Even though nature is there, there is a cause. Cement waste, over drilling, deforestation. There are some causes which are man-made disasters. Okay, so let's see next. And yeah, if you can see these people, if those are the incidents which are happened like unlikely happenings. Next, there are people who overcome the nature or against the odds. Arunima Sinha, who is an athlete, uh, like this is also related to the motivation. What motivated them to achieve success, to achieve heights in their life? Arunima Sinha, particularly when she was trying to attend an interview in far from her home, when she started in a train, there were some dacoits tried to pull her chain and and other like bag, etc. See, she retaliated and fight with them, and unfortunately, they pushed out of the train. And another thing happened. She, in the mean realization itself, she the other train ran over her leg and it smashed. She lost her leg. If you can see, you can identify here. And the other person, Major HPS Ahluwalia, she climbed the Mount Everest, and she is the climber of all the highest mountains in the world. And Major HPS Ahluwalia, who has a paralyzed body, like part of the body, he also climbed Everest. Lakshmi Agarwal, I added her additionally. Even there a movie has come up on her story, the acid attack victims. She's one of such victim, and she's a fashion designer. What motivated these people to, uh, even though there is some loss or negative things happened in their lives, but they moved forward in the life, and they saw the success in their life beyond normal than a common human being, right? Okay, next, there can be see sports. It is connected to every human being, like see, if there is a world cup, sorry, there is a world cup final for the football, people will stick to the TV sets. World Cup, Cricket World Cup. Cricket is a religion in India. And then chocolates, yes, or toffee, they will be connected emotionally. If you can see, particularly, there is a brand here. It is more connected to happiness. Every time when I see the ad, I will relate it to some emotion. So symbols, labels, meanings, emotions associated with it. Even there is some emotions here mentioned here: empathy, fear, failure, pain, stress, anxiety, depression, depressed. These are the feelings and emotions. So we associate many things. So generally, basically, as we have seen that the negative behavior of the human being, some related act, the motivation of a human being, some meanings of some labels, some events, like this is just what we deal as a psychologist in the psychologist for the society or for our own understanding. Next, next example, we can compare it to you to like what motivates to college learning, forgetting, I'm sorry, learning, forgetting, memory, stress, anxiety about life or exams, emotions to opposite gender. When you join some class, a new class, some students will be concentrating on the subject very seriously. They take the subject, they try to improve their life, they go to the next levels of the life. Some people will be concentrating on a group activity. Some people, yes, there will be some naughty children. Some people will be attending some like most interesting part of their life will be done from the. So what are all these things? How you can connect this subject? So let's see. Adolescent behavior and college life. Generally, when an adolescent from the school life turns to college, he will have a freedom, right? Freedom from the rules, strict guidelines. You need, they will not push you to study. Like many options will be there. There will the situation, the world will be different now. Okay, and even people will say you are an adult. How you can't you understand all these things? Are you a child? Like these things will be we will be encountering. And some people will have a selective response. They will not meet with every other persons. Like they will have a choice of friends, and some concentrate on the career growth, as we explained in the previous slide. Psychologists try to understand all these type of diversified behaviors. What are the causes, reason behind this behavior? Like this, we will see, and in the coming chapters, you will see in the very detailed way. When you try to understand something, if you better follow a Socratic method. Socratic method is a very one, and there is a saying here: I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. Even I am very much connected to this line. In line, we are just facilitator. In psychology, it is about the one's own understanding. Everyone will have a unique view. Nothing is wrong in psychology. So in such a way, even Socrates, the line may be related. Generally, if you, yeah, Socrates methods, we have to discuss. It is about clarification, probing assumptions. Like what, what is it? What are all involved? Which type is this? How you can prove it? Who are all people involved in it? What will happen next? And again, it is like creating an idea, evaluating it, analyzing it, applying, understanding, and remember. There can be a positive or negative result, but it is like understanding. I'm getting snozy. Yeah, it is like understanding this method. By understanding this method, you can really do understand the particular like subject, or you can say particular topic really well. Okay, check the news headlines, emotions associated to them. If you can see the newspaper, daily newspaper, you get more things, some strange news, excitements, uh, there will be a lot of things. The page 9, middle page, the center page, the top headlines will be more attractive. They will make they try to get the attention out of you, right? Okay, just try to read the headlines and what are the emotions involved in it. So far I have been repeating the word emotion, but have you get the doubt? Let's just think of these things. Difference between emotion, feeling, and mood. Feeling and mood, yeah, are they same? Just think of these questions. Come back to me, write to me your opinions. What could be the possible reasons of such behavior? Like as said, like terrorist activities, there are some personal things, and there can be a positive behavior, negative behavior. What are the reasons, motivating factors behind that? Just try to have get some idea of this. Next, making psychology part of your life. Like I said, yeah, making psychology part of your life. How to study psychology or any subject. This is a general slide which I wanted to add. Like when you study subject, as this is the introduction class, I thought of adding some information to it. Just begin with an overview. Like what is this subject? What I want to get. The questions are asked earlier in the one first or second slide. So have a review of what is the subject, why you took this subject, get a clarity over it, and then set specific, challenging, and attaining goals. There is some audience specific smart goals. Yeah, smart goals: specific, measurable, attainable, R&T, time bound, and reasonable goals. There can be some different annotations for this, but there should be, the goal should be clear and attainable. Okay, and then reward yourself. Yeah, encouragement is really important for goals, any goals. And engage in active, not passive studying. Active, like it is should be practical and enjoyable. Okay, eliminate distractions. Okay, while try to concentrate on the subject. When you study subject, try to get some space at any area, and then you can get more information. Don't do all your understanding at once. Yes, going in a step by step and phase by phase is really important. All at once you cannot get the, even it will be overloaded. Then you may get analysis paralysis, uh, and even while recalling during the examinations it will be difficult. There should be assimilation of the data, reconciliation of the data in the brain, so that rest can give you, and step by step will give you some good assimilation and connecting to the subject. Yeah, few. I will just pause at this slide. I think this is taken from the Robert A. Barron Psychology, which is a reference textbook. Even you can download it from there. Uh, I know following these guidelines, yes, sound like a lot of work, but yes, but you, when you start applying and taking each principle one at a time, you can definitely ace through this subject and do well in the subject or any life which you decided to. These are some tips you can follow in this subject. Next, like this is like a review. Psychology knowledge is too intended to contribute to human nature, well-being, and rest is up to you. It is like even it is like an another subject. It contributes for the better understanding and comfortable life, and particularly human life. Psychology cannot claim the answers have been found to these complex questions. Yes, few things we have discussed in the earlier, like terrorism, or there will be political issues, there will be unnatural things, there will be some strange things. Psychology cannot claim that it has every solution, but it has the best solution. It can have a best solution because human have these problems, and psychology deals with human. Psychologist, any psychologist will definitely help you at any cost, and they will try to give their best services. Even any like other uh, experts, even psychology is an expert, but particularly in human behavior. But it surely improved upon our understanding how make sense of this phenomena. Unlike other subjects, psychology is internal, available. Yes, psychology is more connected to human beings. I think there is also some connect, take notice, keep learning, be active, and give. This is also for the well-being of you. Just try to grab that. Yes, we come up to a conclusion here. As said, uh, so far we discussed some few things. I introduced the emotions. I made you to think of emotions and asked you regarding the emotions, feelings, and like mood. Think of the questions which we discussed so far, and let's see the textbook reference how you can go through. So for the understanding, we have seen this coming to the introduction part. So yes, this is the paragraph. You can read it again. Some injuries about the Mount Everest we have discussed. Victory in a football game or a cricket game. How you can celebrate whole night. All these things will be happening, right? Observation within themselves. Like psychological processes which are really internal. Indian part, which we have said, it is about the personality development related to the self, and problems which are related to the society also. So next, what is psychology? In the next session, we will be covering this. So I think you got a basic understanding of how and what we will be dealing with. In the next sessions, we will be getting a clarity. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's how I end the session today. Thank you so much for participating. We'll see you tomorrow in the next session.